Hi everyone! Kumusta mga higala? And today we are going to discuss another Bisaya lessons. My name is Judy and I am here to teach you the Cebuano dialect in a conversational way. Alright, so for today's lesson is the common names in the Visayas and Mindanao areas. Okay, just like in Singapore, they have uncle and auntie. That's how they call the elder people there. Okay, so here we also have common names. Okay, these common names are very useful if you want to connect with the locals. All right, and by using these common names, you can instantly make a connection. And let's dig deeper, shall we? First, you can use this to greet a stranger. Okay? Ate means older sister. Older than you, it's a young adult woman. Okay, it's older than you, maybe about a few years. Okay. Kuya means big brother. Older than you, young adult man. Usually young adult man. But if it's older than you for a few years, then you can call him kuya. Manang or nang means old lady. But this is acceptable to use manang or nang between siblings. Okay? But never call manang or nang to a young lady because they will get offended. Next, manoy, noy, or nong means old man or big brother. Manoy is just like manang. So within the siblings, you can call your big brother as manoy or manong or nong. Okay, but to a stranger, never use manoy, manong if it's just older than you for a few years. But if it's really old, like the old folks, you can call them manong or nong. Okay, inday or dai means younger sister or a girl. And inday is a very common common nickname for girls here in the Visayas. Next, dodong or dong. It's like an equivalent to inday. Dodong means younger brother or boy. Okay, next, amigo or miga, which means girlfriend. Okay, not the girlfriend with relationships, like girl. It's a friend and it's a girl. Okay, amigo, migo, which means boy, friend. Okay, a friend that is a boy. Or bay. Bay is a common name that are used by men, usually men here in the Visayas, specifically here in Cebu. Okay, if a woman called a man's attention by using the bay, it sounds so awkward. Really. It sounds so weird. So we are not used to that. Usually the bay is used among men. Let's discuss some rules. Number 1, never call a young woman manang because she will definitely be offended. 2, use manang, manong if the person is older than you by maybe 10 or more years. If you commit a mistake, just simply say sorry. Number 4, use the ate, kuya, inday, dodong if the person you are talking to is a young adult or older than you by maybe a few years. 5, the use of manang, manong, manoy, nang, or are acceptable between siblings. Number 6, never use common names inside the office. Okay? Using these common names inside the business establishment is a no-no, or in formal situations, use sir or ma'am in addressing the person. Okay? Number 8. These are informal ways to call a stranger. Never use these in formal meetings or events, or if it's the first time to meet the person, don't use this. These are informal names. 9. Native speakers sometimes use sir or ma'am in informal settings. Okay, it's very common. If I left out anything in the rules that I just mentioned, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'd like you to add your suggestions in the list. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That will make my day. Alright, I hope to see you next week for another Bisaya lessons. And bye-bye for now.